Welcome back to my channel, and yeah, I promised that I will be providing or posting a video of Soyosource GTN 2 kilowatt zero export inverter, but as it turns out it came defective and it was not working. So let me tell you what was not working. First of all, it worked in non-limit mode. It means it delivered 2 kilowatts, but the moment I connected the CT sensor, as you can see, the CT sensor is showing around 32 watts, and this thing is giving an error message that no collector is there, so it cannot identify the readings of RS45 connection. So in my opinion, the communication board is defective. So I took out the communication board of one Soyosource 1200 GTN, and let's see whether it works. So then I will turn off everything first. Turn off this, turn off that. Now there is no power, hopefully. So I will take out, I have already unscrewed it. And let's see where the board is. There is the board which is connecting here. So I will take it out. And put it in the old GTN 1200. Okay, the cable seems to be short. And make sure that every pin is connected in the right direction. We will give it a push. And now time to put on the cover again. So the cover in, I put the communication for reference and turn on the lights. And battery and its edge. It waits 5-6 seconds to start up and turning on. Currently around 20 watts or 40 watts, and we can see here 23, 40 watts is being produced, or 30 watts. Okay, so it seems that not everything, but at least communication board is one-to-one replaceable. Now I will claim that this is defective by the manufacturer or the supplier. Yeah, so let me know your views and comments. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share, and if you can give some super thanks or support, that would be very nice. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day till next video.